Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this wonderful crochet candle coaster. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see we will use back thread. See this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make one double crochet stitch. See, we will make one double crochet stitch. Okay, the same stitch where we have made that slip stitch to join first and the last stitch. Okay, now we will make a double crochet stitch. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, 3. Then again a double stitch in the same stitch where we made our first double crochet stitch. So we get a triangle. Okay, now we make 2 chain crochet stitch, and we will skip now 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will again make a double crochet stitch. Same pattern, double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch, and a double crochet stitch in one stitch itself. Then 2 chain crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and again in third stitch we have to again make that triangle. A double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch. So like, see, we are getting these small triangles. Okay, so like we are going to do same pattern all around the circle. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. See, now here we are done with our framework, complete framework. Okay, our further design is going to come on this framework. Now we are going to work only, first we'll cut this yarn because we don't need it anymore. Okay, now we are going to join new yarn. To join new yarn, okay, first thing first, we are going to work only in triangles, not in those space in between two triangles. We are not going to work in that. We are working only in triangles. Okay, here I make a chain crochet stitch with the new thread, new yarn, and I will make now 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, around that chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, so I'll make 7 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete the 7 double crochet stitches first. Here we are done with 7 double crochet stitches. Now the double crochet stitch in left hand side, there we are going to make 7 half double crochet stitches around it. Okay, in left hand side it will like we will start from the right corner of that 3 chain crochet stitch, go to the left hand side double crochet, then turn our work upside down and go to right hand side double crochet, and like we meet the first and the last stitch. See, now we are going to right hand side double crochet stitch, there around it we will make 7 half double crochet stitches. See, now when we are done with 7 half double crochet stitches, we will join first double crochet stitch and the last half double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. See, we get this type of pattern. This pattern we are going to make in all the triangles. Okay, one more thing is left. What we will do, we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches in each double crochet stitch. Okay, so like we have 7 double crochet stitches, so 2 in 1, so it is going to be 14 single crochet stitches, 2 single crochet stitch in each double crochet stitch. I'll just complete this. See, now here we are done with all our single crochet stitches. Okay, now we come to next triangle, and again we are going to repeat same pattern in that next triangle. Okay, 7 double crochet stitches in the upper chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, then we go to left hand side chain double crochet stitch, there we make 7 half double crochet stitches around it, then we turn our work upside down and we make 7 half double crochet stitches in right hand side double crochet. Okay, and then we join first double crochet and last half double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Same pattern we are going to make in all the triangles. I'll just complete this and show you. See, this is how it will look after completing that all the pattern in all triangles. Okay, now last thing is remaining. Now we are just going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch in that upper border only. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it, in all around the border and only in upper border. That's it. We won't be coming down. So I'll just complete this thing, whole thing, and I'll show you. Now see, this is how a crochet candle coaster is going to look like. Okay, tea light crochet candle coaster. If you have liked the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.